What up, YouTube? It's your boy. Happy my little decal came in. It's RT6. Hey, it gotta be a high-end model V6. So why not? But anyway, on this video, like I said in the earlier video, they said that, well, I called the Dodge dealership and asked how much they would charge to put HIDs on my car. And of course they said, I'm trying to get in the shade so y'all can see me. They told me that it was impossible. And of course, you know, all they know is what they see on the computer. They know nothing about aftermarket. But I'm finna show y'all how to do it and what to get and what to look out for. And you really don't wanna go to AutoZone or from the Dodge dealership and get a bulb, because those bulbs they told me $126 a piece. So this way is cheaper and works the same. I didn't feel like taking it all the way apart, so I left this side. You see my hand? Yeah, I left this side with the HID and I put this side back stock. I don't know if you can see the difference, but yeah. And all you're gonna need is a 13mm socket, small one, for this nut right here. But you have to have this relay right here. You got the fuse and it hooks up to positive post. And this whole relay by itself, it was nothing but $8. But it stretches to the other side, which I didn't think about it till later on. But this relay replaces, okay, this is your fuse box. And the relay goes, I think, right here and right here. And as you can see on top of the fuse box, it says relay right here. That's the right side, and this the left side relay. So, but this whole harness takes the place of that. And one thing you want to look out for and make sure you do not touch the bulb. In most cases, you know, you have oil in your skin. These bulbs, I don't know how they just absorb it so good. But this is your ballast, and this determines the color of the bulb, like from 10,000 to I think 3,000. But I think mine is like 6,000, like icy blue. But I'm gonna take it back or loose. But everything as far as that is plug and play. You can't go wrong. Everything will hook up into itself. Everything plug and play. Cannot, I repeat, you cannot go wrong. Let's see if I can take this off and show you what I mean. This is what I mean. You got a female end and a male end. So when you put it in here, see, you can't go wrong. It's way easier than you think. Cause I paid $50 last time I had a Grand Marquis. But instead of being lazy and just basically looking at it, I could have did it myself and saved myself $50. But it is what it is. And the only hard part, you get everything hooked together. It's hard getting these bulbs in, man. It's in a tight corner and I got pretty big hands, but I make it work. And I almost forgot, you have to ground it. This is where I grounded it at. You can ground it anywhere, but I just ground it right there. And you have to do the same on the other side. I grounded it right there. But that's pretty much it. And you really don't want to go to AutoZone or from the Dodge dealership and get a bulb, because those bulbs they told me $126 a piece. So this way is cheaper and works the same. And please like, subscribe to my channel, man. It only takes, what, 1-2 seconds. I shouldn't have 2,000 views and 30 subscribers. Come on, man, show some love, man, you know. But Add me on Snapchat, Project P24, and I think I'm on Instagram. Been on there about a week. I think it's the same Project _Baby 24. And until next time, peace.